Okay, today we're going to be doing something a little bit different with my journey to becoming an inbound closer. What happens from time to time is you might get appointments that are ghosting on you for whatever reason under the sun. Maybe somebody calls in sick and they can't meet with you and they have to reschedule all this kind of stuff. So I never liked the idea of depending 100% on my clients for leads. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to just see if I can start generating some traction on my own. And I had a pretty interesting interview last night at about 10 o'clock at night. Man, it is so hot right now. I have to turn off my fan. When I run my fan to cool things off, it's nice and cool, but it's so loud. My mic picks it up, and I hate that. So, anyways, we're going to make this real quick here. Um, just imagine me. This is just me working hard. That's all this is. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to call a company. I've never reached out to this company before in my life. This is the first time. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna use a directory, and I'm gonna call these guys up. So I just typed in. I live in the city of Cochrane in Alberta, Canada. So I don't know if I'll get through. They don't know me from a hole in the ground. I don't know them. So let me just call this. This looked like an interesting company, Access Anywhere. They have a phone number. So let me just give them a call. Rope Access Services. All right, so let me just see if I can give these guys a call. What is my goal? My goal is to see if they need a hand with getting more leads, more appointments, all that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to call them and see what is going on here. Who's the guy's name? A little bit nervous here. I'm not going to lie, but let's see. Let's just call this person here. All right, so apologize for this. Wife's just texting me some video stuff coming down the pipe, so she keeps me busy as well. This project, so I'm just going to call. Let's just call this company and see what they say. So, and I'll just put them on speakerphone and let's just see here. So you can hear this.
Hey there, you've reached Dirk. Please leave your name, number, time you call, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for calling. After leaving a message, you can hang up or press pound for more options.
Hi, Dirk. This is Shane calling from Orient Express Marketing here in good old Heartland, Cochrane. And the reason why I'm calling you today is to see if you need any help in regards to getting more leads to your business. So, what I specifically do is I help out by cold calling your potential customers, anybody that goes to your website. And I did check out your website. It's a fantastic looking website, very interesting company that you have. If you'd like to reach back out to me, my number is 587 576 5678. And again, that's in regards to helping you prospect for more leads. Thanks a lot. I'll see you later. Bye. Okay, that was kind of rough. That was rough. I'll admit that. Left a message. So that's one down, and it's 4:30 my time, so we'll see what happens. Um, Man, time flies when you're like trying to make calls and all this kind of stuff. And what I wanted to do is just actually go through, just look up a directory in the city and just call and see if I can help somebody out, help somebody get some leads. Let's just see here. Let me call this number here. Anytime Fitness. Let me call these guys. I have a membership. 387.
B1. Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and try again, or call client care at *611.
That's interesting. Maybe I don't have a membership there anymore. Maybe because of COVID, they shut down. I don't think they've been taking any more money. So let's just say Rational Martial Arts. Let's just, again, I don't know who the owner is or anything like this, but that's okay. I don't care right now. I'm just trying to see if I can get a little lead. Somebody to meet with me on Zoom, talk, whatever it is.
Hi, you've reached the personal voicemail of Mark Paffrath with Tremar Computer Solutions. Can't take your call at this moment. Please leave a message.
That wasn't a company that I thought I was going to reach. I'm looking for a martial arts place, so that's Computer Solutions. So I'm not sure why that number's there. That's okay. That's okay. Been there, fitness, Big Hills. Let's just see here. Pilates. I don't want companies that are owned by women, especially when it's fitness, especially at the beginning right now, maybe a little bit later, more experience, but I'd rather talk to a guy right now. So water sports. This might be kind of interesting. So let me just call this one. 809-7006. Water sport, please.
Thank you for calling Cochrane Water Sports. We are unable to take your call right now. Please leave your name and number and we'll call you back shortly. Thank you. Bye-bye. After leaving a message, you can hang up or press pound for more options.
Hi there, my name is Shane and I'm with Orient Express Marketing. I live here actually in Cochrane, and I came across your website and was just curious to see if you guys are open to getting more leads. I specialize in prospecting, cold calling businesses. If there's any members or anything like that that you that have fallen off the wagon and you're trying to get in touch with them, I can help out with that. I'll just leave you my voice number. It's 587-576-5678. And again, my name is Shane. Thanks. Bye. Wow, that was the worst voice message ever. It's hard to record and think about what I'm trying to say at the same time. Connect Fitness. Let's see here. Living massage therapy, country living. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Let me just call these guys. 3369. Just trying to have a little bit of fun. 64. It is so freaking hot in my office right now. I am just sweating. Hi, is this the Dallas O'Regan Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu?
Yes, sir.
How you doing? My name is Shane. I'm just calling from Orient Express Marketing out of Heartland, Calgary. How you doing?
I'm doing okay. How about yourself?
Excellent, excellent. I was just curious to know if you needed a hand with prospecting or following up with anybody that maybe has went to your website and you need to kind of follow up with them. I specialize in cold calls, prospecting, all that kind of stuff.
No, we're good, brother.
Okay. Are you guys open right now?
No, we're just doing Zoom classes right now.
Zoom. Okay. Very cool. When do you think, with everything that Jason Kenny's chit-chatting about, when do you think your club will be opening up?
Oh, we're back on June the 10th, stage 2.
Nice. So how many people are you allowed to have?
I think it's full go.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, maybe I'll pop by there with my son. We used to do jujitsu a long time ago at Champions Creed in
Oh,
Calgary.
okay.
Yeah, so I know
Birds.
pretty good friends with Brian and Sheila. So
Oh, that's awesome.
yeah, so we moved out.
Actually,
We moved out here just over a year ago. So
oh, okay. It's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah.
That Cochrane's beautiful. I love it here.
yeah, yeah.
Awesome.
So yeah, I thought I'd go ahead. Sorry.
Oh, I was gonna say I have one of my adult students. She used to train with Brian and Sheila Bird.
Okay.
Yeah,
Very
it's
cool.
pretty good.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, when we open up, come on in.
yeah, for sure. I
Love
thought.
to meet you.
Yeah, I thought I'd just reach out to you and see if I can help out in some way. But yeah, for sure on the 10th we'll come on out to give me a little bit of chance to get in shape.
That's awesome, brother. Well, I look forward to it, man.
Okay, thanks, Dallas.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a good night.
Yeah, see you later. Bye. Well, I guess maybe I'm going out to jiu-jitsu. So that's it. Let me turn on this fan. This is ridiculous. Wow. Oof. It is so hot, and I'm telling you, it's not because of nerves. It's just it's got to be like 35 in here. It's ridiculous right now. So there we go. So I made, what was that, 3 calls or something ridiculous. So I don't know. Maybe I might get somebody might call me back. I don't know. I think in some ways the voicemails are brutal, but my plan is to do this a few times a day and start ramping up the cold calling and prospecting and just trying to have a conversation with people on the phone. I don't have an official marketing company. I just call it Orient Express Marketing. I created a Gmail, so it's not a legal entity or anything like that, but I just use it so that I can, maybe if I get enough business through that venue, I'll create a company out of it. But right now, I don't have one. So I just got some business cards printed out and that kind of stuff so I can hand them out to people. But yeah, so that's my plan, is to just do some prospecting calls just for the fun of it. 'Cause I think that's part of the whole idea of becoming an inbound closer is not only do you have to be good at incoming calls, but I think you should sharpen your skills on outbound calls as well, like actually calling prospects. So for me, I have a directory here and I'm just going to blitz it, hit the directory hard and just, do 5, 10 a day kind of thing, document it. If people call me back, that's great, that kind of stuff. Get to know the community a little bit better as well. They get to know who I am, all this kind of stuff. I'm not calling from India or some other country like Australia or something like that. I'm actually local, which is kind of cool. And if I can, especially fitness places, if I can help follow up with some of these organizations, maybe they have members that have dropped off and they're opening up on June 10th. Maybe it'd be nice to actually have someone follow up with them, call them, say, hey, we miss you. We're opening up on June 10th. Come on out. We're going to have a full house, fully open. All the services are open, showers, facilities. We're going to be wrestling. We're going to have jujitsu going, kickboxing, whatever it is. So we'll see. So if you like this type of video, if you don't mind that I just kind of drop little videos like this every once in a while, let me know in the comment. If you think I need to sharpen my skills, prospecting, all this kind of stuff, let me have it, man. Blast me. Give me a thumbs down. Give me a thumbs up, whatever. I don't really care. My plan is to just try. So hope you like this. See you in another video. I'm going to cool off. Bye for now.